Hi guys, Beth here. So I am so excited. I got my Oden's Eye Spring Dragon collection in the mail today, so I couldn't wait. I look awful. I just got off of work a few hours ago, and my hair's a mess, makeup's a mess, but I wanted to share this with you guys as soon as I got it. To be honest, you guys, I order stuff like right when it launches a lot of times, but then I see everybody's videos go up so fast that I'm like, nobody's gonna want to watch mine because they already saw like 100 of these. So I thought I would share it with you guys. I do have tan skin, and this is a pastel palette, so I was curious and to see, how good it is with my skin tone, if it shows up, if it lasts. But yeah, I got the whole set, and I'm gonna open it up. I already did open it up and film a couple of shorts to like unbox it with you guys real quick. But this is what it is. You get a little keychain. Well, I'll go through it one by one with you guys. So the first thing, yeah, I saw was the keychain, and I thought this was so adorable. I put it back in the packaging, but let me take it out because I was like, let me like do a real unboxing, but then I'm like, no, throw away the packaging. Here it is. It has like these little floaties in the inside, and I think they're like little food things, and it has the dragon, and it's like, I don't know if he's holding something or if that's like his tummy, but it's super cute. And this year, you guys, is the year of the dragon. I am a 6th grade teacher, so I get every year the year of students that it's their year. So next year will be year of the snake, and then after that, I think it's the goat. I can't remember, but mine's the goat, so I can't wait till the goat. So yeah, let's keep going. This is Judy's collaboration with Oden's Eye, and her palette is the Spring palette. The Spring Dragon. I didn't get her last one. I really wanted it, but it went out of stock so fast. It was such a pretty palette, and I ended up getting Jessica's. So I think I have it. Well, no, I'm not gonna look for it, you guys. I'll take too much time. I'm gonna share this with you guys really quick. But every Valentine's Day, they come out with like a new set of 3 that are curated with YouTubers. And this is the one that I got this year. Last year it was the mermaid one with Lauren May Beauty. The year before that was Jessica. So yeah, those are the ones that I have been getting. But here is the palette. And then I'll swatch the eyeshadows in a second. I just want to show that to you real quick. Well, let me re-show it to you guys because that was really, really quick. Okay, so there's 12 eyeshadows. It's kind of small, the palette, but it's cute, you guys. It's like travel size almost, but a little bit bigger. Has a round mirror, and it has the dragon. It has Judy inside. It's just beautiful artwork, you guys. And then on the back, you have the names of the eyeshadows. It's 14.5 grams or 0.51 ounces. That's quite a bit of product still, I think, in my opinion. It's made in China, and I think that's all I want to say about it. I mean, the company is a Swedish company, and because it's so far away, I'm always kind of like, oh, should I buy it? Should I not? That's like a long distance just for an eyeshadow palette. But came with 3 Lippies. I got the Shine. It comes with Shine Delilah. And so that's a Shine. And it comes with a matte one, which is Matte Tulips. And it comes with Shine Buttercup is a Lippy. Then it comes with this cute little scarf with Judy and the dragon on it. Like 2 years ago when it was Jessica's, it was the Hella palette that I got. It had like a little scarf. I have it right here too. Yeah, I have it right here. I kind of like don't know where to put these, you guys, so they're just right here on my desk. But there's the Hella one. And then the Lauren May Beauty, I don't think I got that one. I didn't get the whole set for Lauren May Beauty. I just got the eyeshadow palette last year. Okay, so let's swatch the eyeshadows real quick. Gotta grade, gotta do my work, so I'm not gonna be able to film too long today, you guys. So here's the eyeshadows. The first one is Chun, and I'm so sorry if I'm butchering these names. It's like a green pastel. It's pretty pigmented. This is a really pretty color. And lately I've been liking greens. And then the next one is Moss. And then we have Blossom. And then there's an embossment of, I think it's an eye, the dragon's eye. Then we have seedling, which is the yellow. And let's get the swatches here. Okay, I feel like that yellow, let's see if I could get it a little bit more on there. And then that second shade, that one was kind of like light too. This one here, that was the greenish one. Moss, sorry. Not green. Yeah, it's like a shimmery green. I think that was this one. I think I double did this one here and there. So this is actually this one here, but I don't know why I swatched it again. So far we have this one, this one, this one, and this one. There's 4. And then we have plum, which is like a purpley shimmer. Then we have long, which is like another shimmer, is not as glittery as plum. And then we have another glitter, which is petal. It's pink, like a reddy pink kind of. And then we have Wa, which is like a lavender, a very light lavender color. Okay, and then here are the swatches. And we have this one here. So far, very, very pretty. Okay, and then we have Flora, which is like, I don't know what that would be, like an orangey, kind of like peach color maybe. And then we have Rain, which is a blue. It's a matte blue. Then we have Dew, which is the glittery peach. And then the last one is Wood, which is a brown. Okay, and then let me swatch them. Sorry about my elbows, you guys. I did not lotion up this morning. So here are the colors. And then the brown is there. Just remember, was this one. I swatched it twice. I don't know why I did that. I'm sorry. But very pretty palette. And I'm going to swatch the Lippies for you guys as well. I'm kind of curious about the matte. Let's do that one first because I'm wondering how matte it gets. It's matte tulips. And the packaging, it has like lips, and it says Spring Dragon, Oden's Eye plus Judy, matte lipstick, or lip satin. Matte lip satin. And then there's the dragon on it. Okay, and then maybe I'll just do them on the back of my fist. So and sorry, my hands are super dry as well. Everything is dry today. There is the matte, very pretty, very, very spring color-esque. Perfect for like Easter season, March and April. And then the next one is Shine Buttercup. I don't remember if this is the right order, but just grabbing the ones that I have in the order that I grab them. And this is a gloss. Look how pretty that is. It's kind of like you could sheer it out a lot. And I like glosses with a little bit of tint, and I could sheer them out because I don't always want like pigment on my lips. Well, not a lot of pigment. I like lip stains a lot. The next one is Shine Delilah. And right now I can't wear anything because I have that. Yeah, I know. It's so gross. So I can't wear really any lippies right now. But here's Shine Delilah. So, so pretty. It's like a pinky. And then this looks a little more orange tinted. And that is just a beautiful pink. Very, very pretty. Okay, and that is it, you guys. Yeah, maybe I'll do Get Ready With Me soon, maybe for Monday. We'll see, you guys, because lately I've been I know I didn't post this weekend. I don't know if I think I did mention to you guys that my cousin passed away. I did film a video though, and then I didn't like the way it came out. So let's see if this one goes up. My hair is like really wonky because I have hairpins right here. It's just falling out. But anyway, thank you so much, you guys, for watching and coming by. I think these are still available. I'll have them linked down below if you're interested. I'm not affiliated in any kind of way with Oden's Eye. I'm just a fan and a lover of makeup and beauty and things like that. So If you guys are interested, it will be linked down below. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.